BE Pressure 4000 PSI Whirl-A-Way Surface Cleaner Review. Real driveway results. You know that feeling when you spend an entire Saturday dragging a pressure washer wand back and forth and your driveway still looks striped and patchy? I have been there too. Arms tired, results disappointing. Cleaning should not feel like punishment. If you are still pushing a standard nozzle across large surfaces, there is a smarter way waiting for you right now. Every extra hour bent over a wand is an hour your weekend quietly disappears. One homeowner told me he spent nearly 8 hours on a driveway job that still had streaks by the end. That mental drain and physical exhaustion add up fast. The good news is that this problem is completely solvable. There is a calmer, faster approach that actually finishes the job. Then everything changed when I started using the BE Pressure 4000 PSI Whirl-A-Way Surface Cleaner. Don't just buy any surface cleaner attachment. Make sure it has a dual-welded steel rotary bar system, so you never suffer from frustrating zebra striping and uneven cleaning results again. The Whirl-A-Way uses a spinning 2-arm rotary bar with 25-degree nozzles that sweep across a full 20-inch path in one smooth pass. No more streaks, no more doubling back. A contractor friend of mine cleaned a large parking lot section in under 2 hours that would have taken most of his day with a wand. He just laughed when it was done. The zero wall clearance design gets right to the edge without awkward repositioning, and the nylon brush skirt keeps overspray off your feet. Rated up to 4,000 PSI and 8 GPM, it matches serious pressure washers without choking output. Hot or cold water, it handles both. Here is the bonus most people miss. The rebuildable swivel with a greasable zerk means this tool is actually built to last long term. The BE Pressure 4000 PSI Whirl-A-Way Surface Cleaner is not a luxury upgrade. It is a practical tool that thousands of contractors and serious homeowners already rely on for driveways, patios, sidewalks, and parking lots. Demand for quality surface cleaner attachments keeps growing as more people realize how much time a wand actually wastes. If you are ready to clean smarter, I have dropped my link in the description and pinned it. Just click and see for yourself. Your driveway will thank you. Living with this attachment changes how the whole job feels. Instead of dreading the driveway, you start treating it like a quick Saturday task. Reviewers across multiple platforms describe the Whirl-A-Way as one of the most efficient flat surface tools they have used, with several noting it cut their cleaning time by roughly 60% compared to a standard nozzle. One user on a cleaning forum said, and I am paraphrasing, that he could not believe how clean his concrete looked after one pass. No second guessing, no going back over it. An influencer who tested it on a parking lot described the even result as something that looked almost machine finished. Industry side coverage consistently highlights the polypropylene cover and welded steel rotary bar as genuinely commercial grade choices, rather than lightweight consumer shortcuts. Now, is it the lightest attachment on the market? No, it comes in around 32 pounds. But that weight reflects real steel construction, not filler. Quick question though. How much time did you spend on your last driveway clean? Because that number might change after this. The ergonomic handle design genuinely reduces fatigue during longer sessions, which matters when the surface area grows.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.